Hello and welcome to Mr. Kenyon's studio. This is the first lesson in the piano lesson series for absolute beginners, where I teach you about your fingers, where to put your fingers, the pattern in the black keys, and how to find C. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Alright, so here we have the piano keyboard, and you may notice there's a pattern in the keys. So we have two black keys here, and then there's white keys with no black keys in between them, and then three black keys, and then white keys with no black keys, two black keys, three black keys, two. The whole piano keyboard is like that, except for the first one because it cuts off there. But starting from here, you have 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so it alternates between 2s and 3s. And when you play those keys, you want to use these three fingers. So if you're doing the two keys, you're doing these two fingers. Your finger numbers go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting with the thumb. We don't play the thumb because the thumb is always going to go on the white keys, normally. When you play scales, your thumb will always go on the white keys. That's not necessarily true for playing chords, but in every case, but typically your thumb is going to go on the white keys. So second finger and third finger, these two, your pointer and your middle finger, are going to go on the two black keys. Okay, so the first thing you can do is just find every set of two black keys. And then do the same thing with the three. The three, you're going to use these three fingers. You're going to add your fourth finger in there in addition to the other two. 2, 3, 4. 4 is your ring finger. Okay, so make sure you can do that first. And then, in order to find C, you want to look for the pattern in the black keys, and you're going to look for the 2 pattern. And you're going to put your thumb on the white key that's to the left of the two black key pattern. That's C. Okay? So you can play all the C's on the piano. Okay, and this is also C up here. But practice playing all the C's, and the reason why typically you want to know where C is because a lot of songs, when you're first starting out, start on C because C major is the easiest key to play in. It's all white keys. So that's the first lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a new episode whenever they come out. Thank you for watching.